When your signature rule is all set up, it's time to design a signature template. Click here to launch the editor. You haven't created any signature yet, so you'll see our template library first. It's a great place to start because you get plenty of professional signature layouts to choose from. Just click a template to quickly customize it. You can remove the fields you don't need by clicking on them here. And don't worry, you can always add them on your own later. Click Open to load the template into the editor. The editor is very easy to use and does not require any HTML skills, which means you don't have to be an IT person to handle it, and if you are one, you can delegate the design to non-IT people. As you can see, this signature already includes placeholders that will be automatically replaced with the sender's contact information when an email is sent. Click here to see what the signature looks like with real user data. You can also select other people in your organization to preview their contact details. Okay, the signature looks pretty nice already, but let's personalize it some more. You can, for example, add a quick meeting link here that will automatically launch a Teams meeting with the email sender. Let's remove the icon, customize the label, and voila, looking good. If you want to update your social link like YouTube, just right-click it and select Edit Social Link. Now update your company URL and click OK to save. You can also remove the part with the links to make the signature more compact. Your signature is basically a table, so you can just delete the whole row like this. Oh, and don't forget to replace the default logo with yours. Just click on it and go to the Picture tab to insert another logo from a local file. And the best part is, the logo will be embedded, so it will always be visible to email recipients. They will not have to click download attachments to see it or anything like this. Okay, the signature looks good already, but do you know that you can also add a one-click survey to measure customer satisfaction? Let's quickly show it here. I'm gonna go ahead and add a new row first to keep the whole signature design within a table because it works best with all email apps. Now let's type some text and insert the survey just below it by clicking here. I've got a template prepared already, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert it now, but it takes just a few clicks to set everything up from scratch and get real-time customer analytics. There will be a link to a tutorial at the end of this video. Okay, so let's check if everything looks okay using the preview. Yep, perfect. When you think the signature is ready, click Apply and Close to save the template and get back to your signature rule. If you want to go live with the signature rule now, click Save and Publish. And that's it. Thanks for watching.